$16.50 per hour, bro, as a dishwasher at Olive Garden, eating breadsticks and leftover chicken parm from plates, right? That shit was not cutting it, right? And I was a 4-time convicted felon, and I was a community college dropout, because in my early 20s I was running around the streets doing street activity. You know how that shit goes, right? My name's Alex, and I went from $16.50 per hour to now making over $2,000 plus per week on the internet, right? So let me explain how all this shit happened, right? $16.50 per hour. Went on YouTube, right? Typed in like how to make money online, just like a lot of people type in how to make money online, right? Now, I knew, right, and I looked at different type of things. What I liked about affiliate marketing was simply this, right? I didn't have to ship the product, touch the product, do customer support, do billing. All I had to do was get a link, advertise that link in front of people. When they buy from the link, I make money, and I don't have to talk to the person, ship the product, touch the product, go to the post office, create the product, do anything. This made sense to me, because when I was running around the street selling other people's stuff, I used to make money. So when someone showed me affiliate marketing, it was like, oh, I can sell other people's stuff for them. I don't have to ship it. I don't have to touch it. I don't have to like touch it, ship it, make it, do anything like this. I just have to advertise it. And when people buy from the link, I make money. This made sense. Boom, that clicked. Once I understood the business model, then it clicked. Then I said, okay, I knew at the end of the day, all this skill, like marketing, advertising, sales, was a skill. I did not have that skill currently at the time. So I said, fuck it, I need to learn this skill, right? Right, because I went to community college, I dropped out, whatever, but I knew like skills were involved inside like this marketing, advertising, sales world, because I knew people went to school for marketing, advertising, sales, and business, so I knew there was a skill that had to be learned. So I found a guy on the internet, right? I watched a couple of his videos. I signed up for his email list. He seemed like a cool person. Seemed like a down-to-earth person. He seemed like he knew what he was talking about. I said, fuck it, right? He had a course for $100, right? Well, it was like $97, whatever, 97 bucks, right? I said, fuck it, I bought it, right? It took me 2 weeks to buy it, right? Because I was only making $16.50 as a dishwasher. So, you know, I still had to pay rent and bills and et cetera, et cetera. So 2 weeks later, I bought the course for $100. I let the course sit in my email address or email inbox for like a week or two, because I was just, right, I was doing other stuff. Then I went through the course, right? It's all about affiliate marketing, like YouTube review videos, blog sites, et cetera, and I start to watch the videos. But what I did specifically was I would watch the training video, then I would have a new tab open, so when he was explaining what to do in the video, I would stop the video and then go do the things that he said inside the video. And literally 60 days after doing the things he showed me to do inside the video, actually doing the things that need to be done, 60 days later, I was able to quit my dishwasher job at $16.50 per hour, because I was now making the same amount of money I was making weekly as a dishwasher. I was making that online. So I said, fuck it. Why am I going to work in the dish pit, eating fucking leftover breadsticks, sweating my ass off, getting grease all over my skin, and doing all that shit for like $700 a week, when I could type on the keyboard, move a mouse around the keyboard, do some stuff on the internet, and make $700 a week. So that's when I started to run it up. 60 days later, after buying the course, taking action, going through the things, building up my confidence, building up my skill set, etc., that's how I quit my job, right? But it takes work, it takes consistency, and right, this is the internet, right? So you can't be lazy, right? Don't be lazy, right? This is a skill set that you're learning. You're learning these skills on the internet that last for lifetimes, right? It's been 7.5 years and I haven't had a job because of the skills that I learned on the internet. I have multiple YouTube channels. I have multiple social media accounts, all doing affiliate marketing. I have some CPA marketing stuff on there, right? But all because I understand, okay, if I want to quit my job and make enough money where I don't have to have a job, I have to acquire some skills. I acquired some internet marketing skills, some affiliate marketing skills. Over the time I acquired these skills, now I have $2,000 to $3,000+ weeks online. I still put in the work every day. I'm still posting ads, learning, building, skill acquisition every single day. right? This is a business. It takes time, it takes effort. You have to put in the work. Even though it's the internet and we're typing on the keyboard and moving the mouse around, shit still has to be done here, right? So what I decided to do was the same course that I purchased, or a blueprint that I purchased for $100 off the guy in 2017-18, is the same thing I'm doing now. The course is no BS, there's no hype. We do affiliate marketing, we do CPA marketing, we do Facebook, we do YouTube. Everything works as long as you understand that this is a skill. You have to apply your skill. You have to apply yourself every single day to the skill. Maybe 1 to 2 hours a day at first, right? Because you're going to be new to this game that we play online. But eventually, you can make enough money where you don't have to have a job. This is not, you're not going to do this in a week, right? 60 to 90 days. If you take action, implement it, learn some skills, apply yourself, within 60 to 90 days, I can almost say you can make a decent amount of money online. Then you take that money and you say, do I want to quit my job or just make some extra side money? It's up to you, right? I decided a couple years ago when I got tired of working as a dishwasher that I needed to make this shit work. I made it work. I continue to make it work. 7.5 years later, I'm still making money online, passive income, residual income. I don't have a job. I live in New York City. I have an offline business. The decision is up to you. I already made a decision a couple years ago. Now it's up to you. All the information is below. Peace, Alex. Peace, peace.